Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. First we need baking soda, spoon, food color, container, vinegar, bottle, funnel, and dropper. Of course, a balloon. We're gonna inflate the balloon with vinegar and baking soda. Let's first put the vinegar on the bottle. Then, let's put some food color. Let's cover and shake. Now, you're gonna put 2 tablespoons of baking soda on the balloon. Let's put another one. Now let's put the balloon on the bottle.
Okay.
What do you think will happen if we put baking soda to vinegar? Come on, let's see. First, let's wear my goggles and my coat. Now it's time to pour the baking soda into the vinegar. Oh look, it's inflating. If you mix baking soda to the vinegar, it bubbles and fizzes. It releases carbon dioxide. Bye! I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe.